Hello, good morning, you all. Question number 10, I think already sent you in WhatsApp. It is question number 10. The question number 10 is like this. Particulars regarding income of two villages are given below. That is village A, village B. What actually they given in village A? Number of people means number of variable. 600 and 500. 600 is for A village, 500 for B village. Average income. What is that average income? Average income is arithmetic mean. If you see the question, I think already sent a PDF to you. 175 is for village A, 186 for village B. That is the arithmetic mean. Variance of income. Variance means standard deviation square value given. Standard deviation square value given, variance 100, then 81. Right? The question is like this. In which village is the variation in the income is greater? So in which village is the variation in income is greater? Variation is there. The question is variation. I said in the question number 9 also and 8 also, variation means if a question is called variation, you need to find what? You need to find the CV, right? What you need to find? You need to find the CV. Now we need to go with the question number 10, CV. CV means what you have to find? Standard deviation we need, and we need arithmetic mean. In the problem, average income given, second item, average income means what? It is arithmetic mean only. But last they given, variance they given. So first we need to convert the variance into standard deviation. What is standard deviation of A? So by simply first write the formula. What is the standard deviation? Standard deviation equal to root of variance. What you have to find? Root of variance. What is the formula? Root of variance. Now apply the A, that is village A. What is the village A variance? Village A variance is 100. 100 its root. It was 10. What is the B? That is the second one. B, standard deviation of B. Again variance, root of variance. Variance of second one is 181. So 81 root is 9. So this was standard deviation of A. This was standard deviation of B. I hope that variance to standard deviation conversion is over. Now we need to find what actually? We need to find CV. So I will show the first question A. Coefficient of variation. What is the formula? CV equal to standard deviation divided by mean into 100. CV of A. First we have to find the CV of A. What is CV? Standard deviation. Standard deviation of A is how much? 10. What is standard deviation of mean of first variable? In the given, they given actually average income. How much average income they given? They given the average income is like this 175. So 175 is the average income into 100. So you need to find now 175. 10 divided by 175 into 100. So 10 divided by 175 into 100. Answer is 5.71. Then same CV of B. B means second village. So second village standard deviation is how much here? 9 divided by. In the question average income is given. Average income is arithmetic mean. 186 is there. So 186 into 100. So you need to find now 9 divided by 186 into 100. 9 divided by 186 into 100. Answer is 4.84. 4.84 is the answer. So 5.71 is A. 4.84 is B. I said that in case of variation, what you have to find? Higher CV is the greater variation. Lower CV is lower variation. The question is like this: in which village is the variation income is greater? So they are asking greater. Greater means what? Out of these two, highest is higher variation. Highest means this one. So it shows that higher variation, right? So therefore, you need to write like this: village A shows greater variation. Greater variation, what actually they given? So greater variation. It is not given that wage salary like that. So you should say that like this. So village A shows greater variation because its value is higher as compared to this one is higher. So greater variation is which one? The greater variation is village A. So this is all about question number A now. Now the question number B is like this. If you see the question, what is the total income of both the villages put together? What is the total wages of both villages put together? So you need to find the total wages of A and B, right? Total wages of the value of total income of both. So this was income. So village shows greater variation in income because income word is there. Now you need to find the total income. How to find the total income? Total income of both put together means you find the village A wage total and village B total, then you find the value, right? Then how to find the village the total income? Total income equal to, it is nothing but summation of x. What is the formula? Summation of x. So what you have to do now? N into arithmetic mean. What is n into arithmetic mean? N means number of items given in the problem, right? First I will do village A, total income of A. What is n? Number of people. How much? 600. Into what is the arithmetic mean for first? 175. Multiply these two. 600 into 175, you will get 1,05,000. Similar, total income of B. Again, n is how much? Number of people in the question. 500 given. That is n. Then 186 is the mean. Multiply these two. 500 into 180, 186. The value is 93,000. Therefore, total income of A and B together equal to 1,05,000 plus 93,000. So add these two, what you will get? 1,98,000. So total income of both village A and B is how much? 1,98,000. I think total income equal to what? That is summation of x. Formula is what? N into arithmetic mean. You find this one, you will get what actually? Total income. So this is all about question number A and question number B in the question number 10. Right? So now we'll go to the question number C now. What is question number C? The question number C is stated like this. What is the average income of the people of both the villages put together? Total wages of average income of both the villages. Average income is what? Average means arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean of the both the villages put together. So both the villages average income put together, nothing but combined mean. What you have to find now? Combined mean you have to find. I will show the formula for that. Right? So the question is like this. I will read once again. What is the average income of both the people? Both the people means village A and village B. Both the people average income. Average means arithmetic mean. It means arithmetic mean of the both the people A and B put together. Put together means combined, total. So you need to find C. Total or combined average income. This average income is nothing but average means what? Arithmetic mean. What is this average? Average means arithmetic means combined arithmetic mean or combined mean you have to find now. So what is the formula for combined arithmetic mean? Right? What is the formula for combined arithmetic mean? So x bar 1 2, the formula like this, combined mean formula. X bar 1 2 equal to n1 x bar 1 plus n2 x bar 2. So x bar means first mean, x bar 2 means second mean. First mean means village A mean, village B mean. N1 means village A number of people, N2 means number of people of village B, whole divided by N1 plus N2. Put the number now. N1 number of people in village A 600 into what is mean? Mean is 175 plus What is N2? Number of people living in village B into their mean wage is how much? 186 whole divided by 500 N1. Sorry, 600 first. 600 is N1. N2 is 500. Simplify this one. 600 into, remember 600 into 175, you will get 1,05,000. Plus 500 into this one is, I think 93,000 whole divided by 1100. So we will do 186 into that 500 is 93,000 plus 1,05,000. Answer is 1,98,000 divided by 1,100 divided by 1,100. The answer is 180. So what is this 180? 180 is combined mean. See this? This one is called combined mean. Is it clear? So this was your combined mean. So now we will go to the another the concept now. What actually you have to find? If you see the next question on the even your question, the next question is like this. The value of next question is, what is the combined standard deviation? You read the question carefully. What you have to find? You need to find the combined standard deviation, right? What you have to find? Combined standard deviation. So for that we need to find this number, that is D. What you have to find? Combined standard deviation. Combined standard deviation. For combined standard deviation, before to write the formula, I will show you some of the variables. What you have to find? You need to find the first D1 square. What is D1 square? Like this. X bar 1 2 minus X bar 1. What is X bar 1 2? Combined mean. What is X bar 1? Mean of the first variable, like this, square. X bar 1 2 is 180 minus, what is X bar 1? Village A mean. Village A mean is how much? 175. So make the difference and square it. So answer is difference 5, square is 25. Like sigma 2, sorry, D2 square. Formula is same. X bar 1 2 minus X bar 1 whole square. Sorry, X bar 2 means combined mean minus second mean. Second mean means village B mean. Combined mean is once again 180 minus second mean. Village B mean is 186. Its square. See the difference comes 180 minus 186 is you will get the how much? You will get the minus actually minus 6. If you square this one, 6 is square minus 6 square is what? Plus 36. I hope that this one is clear. Now we need to find the standard deviation of 1 square. Also we need standard deviation 1 square. Why we need the standard deviation 1 square? We will see that one. The standard deviation of first one is how much? 10. 10 square is equal to 100. Then standard deviation 2 is how much? 9. 9 square is standard deviation 2 square. Standard deviation is 9. 9 square is how much? 81. So these two we need in the formula. Now I will show you the formula of which one? Combined standard deviation. There maybe you are getting that what actually I given you, right? So combined standard deviation now. The combined standard deviation looks like this formula. Now you see the combined standard deviation formula. Combined standard deviation equal like this. Combined standard deviation 1 2 sigma 1 2 combined standard deviation equal to N1 into sigma 1 square plus D1 square. Listen, N1 into sigma 1 square plus sigma 2 square plus N2 second variable, second sigma square plus second D square whole under the root. I hope that now it is clear why I did all these inputs. Now you input the number now. What is N1? N1 is in the question is number of people 600, right? Into standard deviation 1 square. See, standard deviation 1 square is 100. What is sigma 1 square? 25. So 100 plus 25 plus N2 is how much? N2 is 500 into what is sigma 2 square? 81. What is D2 square? 36. So 81 plus 36 under the root. Simplify this one now. 600 into is there 125 plus 500 into this total means into 7 plus 11, so 117. It's a square. Simplify this one, 600 into 125. 600 into 125 you will get 75,000 plus this one into this one, 500 into 117, 58,500. How much? 58,500. So add these two, remove the root, plus 75,000, right? 75,000, remove the root, you will get 365.38. So 75,000 plus 30, I will check one more time, once again. 75,000 plus 58,500, its root is how much? 365.38. So this was your combined standard deviation. So this is all about your question number 10. I hope that the entire solution is clear to each one of you. This type of question they may be raising you in exam, right? So I solved in this question. The first question is CV, that is greater variation. Second one is both the villages total wages. And third question is combined averages. Fourth one is combined standard deviation, right? So these are the questions. The same type question I will solve one more question. Then I will assign some questions to you all, right? Thank you. If you have any doubts, just put a question to me.